how to create an email campaign in Wix. So what we want to do is just load up the Wix website. Here from the left hand side, we will scroll down until we see the option for marketing. Just hover over marketing and then we want to go to email marketing. Now, as you can see here on this screen, we will see some templates which we can use, or we can begin from scratch. I already have created one campaign here in the past and I can view all my campaigns. But for example, let's say that we are going to be promoting a new product using an email campaign on Wix. We will just click on use template here for this specific one. And we can obviously customize all of the pictures, the text, the links, the code, everything here. I'll just show you how we can proceed with this. So for example, if I click on next here, it's going to show me this, and it's going to ask us to add recipients. So whom are we going to be sending this email campaign to? We can import contacts by clicking on this button here and continue to import. And we can also manage contacts from the list that we have right here. And if we are satisfied with the recipients of this email, we'll just select next again. And we can add more and actually share this on social media. But if we click on publish here and your campaign is live, be proud, share, copy link, and click on done here, we have successfully created and published an email campaign to the addresses which we have added on Wix. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.